for the United World of YouTube. I just finally got somebody to ask me a question, and I only posted the video not even that long ago. Anyways, the question that they asked me was, why do people sneeze, Mr. Ranjan? Well, I'm going to give you 3 answers to that. I'm going to give you what people think, or what people thought back in the day with sneezes, and I'm going to give you the scientific answer, or the scientific explanation of why people sneeze, and I'm going to give you the real answer of why people sneeze. Okay, well, back in the day, before people became scientists, every time when somebody sneezed, they thought that there was an entity or an evil spirit leaving your body. That's why every time when somebody sneezes, somebody else says, God bless you. Saying for you to be, so that when the spirit leaves from your body, not another bad spirit wouldn't come in its place. So we say that God bless you. Okay, so the scientific explanation though of why people sneeze is that you get the burgers and you mix them all together with some linen, and maybe you might have a cold, maybe got some allergies going on up in there, and then the nervous system triggers the brain, which sends a signal straight back to get rid of the stuff right out of the nose, and then which activate the lungs to hold a whole bunch of air, and then makes you sneeze to try to get rid of what is in your nose. That's what scientists says is wrong, or why people sneeze. Now the real reason why people sneeze is because they trying to speak another language to somebody that they don't understand and won't listen to them. And even though you don't recognize it, your brain tries to tell the people something in a way that they'll understand, but the brain don't know how to speak, so he sneezes, and that is why people sneeze. And also because you got little gremlins up there just tickling, and you don't want them little gremlins up there, because they're really bad. They'll probably help. They'll prevent you getting money. They'll all kinds of bad luck happens to you if you got gremlins up there. So make sure you know how to speak the language of the brain to prevent you from sneezing and having gremlins up there. Okay? And and that's pretty much it.